6 projects for mobile developers to include in your resume. These days, bar is set higher for developers for all levels. Creating apps in multiple categories can help you gain a deeper understanding of mobile development and its challenges and solutions. First, camera and gallery app. Create an app that serves as a default option for taking pictures and include a feature of gallery to view all the images on your phone. This app will help you understand how mobile platform works, including permissions and optimizing the app for handling large amount of images. Music player app. Develop a music player app that can play audios from online source or local storage. Add features such as controlling the player with your Bluetooth headset, playing music in the background when app is closed, and allow users to change songs from the mini player shown in the notification and screen lock. You will also learn more about handling background process in mobile app in this project. Fitness tracker app. Build an app that receives data from the Google Fit API and displays it on multiple types of charts on the UI. This project will help you create, understand complex UI designs, handle REST APIs, and manage large amount of data on the UI. Chat and video call applications. Create a two-way communication app with the text and file sharing capabilities. Implement video calls using third-party SDKs. This project will teach you about Firebase, NoSQL databases, user authentication, cloud storage, and little bit about security. Two-factor authenticator app. Now this app comes under the security category of application. So here you will learn basic of encryption principles to enhance your app security. Social media app like Instagram. Learn to handle a large volume of posts, images, and videos provided by REST APIs. You will also gain insights into state management, caching, concurrency, and parallelism. Check out the blog link in the comment to learn more about these projects.